Here I have INFINIX Note 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly, you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. You can record device sound, you can record microphone sound, you can change image quality, you can show button taps, and you can enable Do Not Disturb while recording. So to start recording, just tap on this button once here at the upper bar, and recording starts immediately. So now it's on. Here you can pause your recording, then you can play it again. So when you're done recording, just tap on this red icon here, and after that recording will be saved to this AI gallery, to the special album called Screen Recordings. Now it's on, you can play it again. So when you're done recording, just tap on recording starts. So from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.